Hi guys, so today we are back here. We are making another Oreo cake. It's a vegan Oreo cake again, but the decoration is a little bit different than what we did last time. Let's get started. We take our cake board. Okay. So we start with our chocolate cake round. I'm gonna cut off the edges. Just gonna eyeball it. Put a dollop of Oreo buttercream inside. Try to, I don't mind if it's going outside the border because outside is also going to be Oreo. Okay, then we put a second layer on it. So the vegan buttercream, it's usually soft at room temperature. So it's a little easier to work with. I'm gonna load everything on top. I'm gonna move it to the side. I will take some, put it on the side and smoothen it. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some buttercream from the top, put it on the side and smoothen it. So it's like you keep the top as a reservoir and you keep taking buttercream from there. Go on smoothing it. Smooth the whole thing. Take out the extra buttercream to the top. Just smoothen it. Go around. Keep the spatula not flat but at an angle, like you're taking the buttercream away. When I'm not using a piping bag, I like using this technique. You just take your tip and you put it inside the cake and you see how thick is, you can see how thick the buttercream is. That's not too thick, so I think I'm okay with that amount of buttercream on top. Then I just smoothen it. I don't want the cake showing, the cake underneath showing. You see this overhang? Just grab it and put it over. Try putting more buttercream on the cake, then you can keep taking it out as you need. So you see how this spatula is curved at the top? When I do this, at the base it kind of forms like a concave shape like that because of the edge. So what I'd like to do is I just take this pen scraper and then I smoothen the sides with this. So this is going to take care of that little dip that happens at the bottom. Sides. While I do this, I'm going to melt my ganache, clean the base. You remember what we check in the ganache? You should hear this. The gluk gluk gluk. the flow. It's flowy enough for you. One corner. Okay, you push a little over the edge, go to the side. Over the edge, on the side. Over the edge, on the side. And every time you form the drip, you press the bottle a little bit. Side, side, okay. Fix that drip. Put ganache in the middle. Use a clean spatula and then just spread it to the sides. Don't let it go over the drips and form a double drip. If the cake is cold, this step you have to do it really quickly, otherwise it won't be smooth. It has to be smooth and shiny. Okay. Now for the thing on top, because we don't have any tips, let me see what we can do. Okay, so I don't have a piping bag, so I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag. Let's see if it works. Somebody told me that they tried it yesterday and it didn't work, but you gotta go and check it. So I put the tip in one corner. I'm going to cut it. Cut it way too much. Take another one. Cut a smaller hole. Okay. The edge. Okay, so I put vanilla buttercream inside. Okay, let's see how it goes. Gently press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It worked! So you just need to use a good quality Ziploc bag, and okay. So I just take some Oreos. I randomly break them. Can you do this? Okay, I randomly break them and I just place. That's your Oreo cake. Let me show you guys properly. Okay, so that's your Oreo cake.